Hi, this is Sujit Kumar. It's 23:10 hours waiting in engine room for LSM Geo bunker. I have already taken VLSFO bunkers in noon, but still waiting for LSM Geo bunker. After bunker, we have to maintain sulfur record book. We have to make entries in ORB and also maintain in chief engineer's logbook. We have to write each and every day all the watches, all the running machineries parameters like main engine parameters, pressure and temperature, generators, amperage and freshwater generator, tank soundings, boiler, purifier and AC and reefer. Also there is running hours, and we have to maintain all the comment section. We have to write in each and every watch, like a third engineer 1200 to 1600 hours, 1600 to 22 to 2000 hours is for second engineer, and my watch is 2000 to 2400 hours. I have already year was taken as per checklist E43 year AC. All the things we have to write, and once again my watch will be from 800 hours to 1200 hours, and I have to maintain this one sulfur record book, oil record book. There is all the parameters like what is the temperature, pressure, what is the sounding, what is the sounding of tanks and main engine, and this is the main switchboard from where we can control or start or stop the pumps. This is for generator panel, and everything here is all the things we have to maintain. What is the this is the ECR, engine control room, from where we can control engine room machineries and their parameters. We can also say that we have to maintain this so many files, so many paperworks we have to maintain. Like that, we have to keep records of these things. There is also a NAPA, a status board, from where we can get the everything like position, latitude, altitude, draft, what is the draft speed, and what is the consumption, what is the temperature of the fuel oils, what is the status of which fuel oil we are using, like MGO or VLSFO, power of the generators, trim and everything. We have to maintain all the documents here. These documents are verified during the PSC and SIRE inspection, and we have lots of posters, so that each and every time we do any work, we have to maintain, we have to check that what is the PPE precautions measures we can take, so that we don't get any injury or we don't get any fuck ups. That's all. There is also a whiteboard from where if anything is happens or any notice we have to take, we have to give it to another watch keepers. So we have to just write here what is the message, and during handing over we have to say that this is the notice, you have to do that work, or you have to maintain that parameters. That's all. This is the most ridiculous thing in engine room, not in only in engine room but all over the ship, like in cabins, everything. Like wheelhouse, we have the numbers, so just dial these numbers and we will call that person or the bridge or CCR, from where every time this rings we get why this rings, just this not be happened.